Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome drill that's going to give you more lat awareness. So you'll have probably seen a single arm ring row before, and that's whenever you're from this position here, you touch the ground, and then you pull yourself up with the single arm, like that. And then back down, boom, boom. Awesome exercise, but it's very easy to do wrong and just pull with your arm. So what you want to do is to learn how to keep your lat set in the right position so that you're actually pulling with your back and then your arm rather than just using your arm. Okay, so it's quite easy to mix up, and it's very hard to spot as well. So it's really on awareness. So what you're going to do is set yourself up in the exact same way that you normally would. Then you think about packing your shoulder into the socket, like this. So this would be wrong. This is what we want here. Boom, locked in. Put your hand on the shoulder to focus on where it is. And then rotate your entire body until this elbow is facing down towards the ground. And then pull yourself back into that position. Okay? Now I'm shaking here. This takes a lot of effort and a lot of concentration, but it really will start to build a lot of strength and a lot of awareness. So do this for 10 reps each side for at least 3 sets before you go into any other sort of shoulder stuff that day, and you should find that it carries over to your training. Okay guys?